it's easier to get on than it was back in the day because you could get right on from your living room if you do the right shit. So it's a gift and a curse. There's so many more people rapping than it was back in the day. But also to get on back in the day, you had to bump in the puff. You had to wait outside a concert. Hope you see somebody. Rap for them. Now you could post some shit up and everybody could see you from wherever you recording at.
Right.
And you got a chance to go viral.
You can get a magical repost from somebody or something.
And it's just that easy. So understand that
reposts ain't as powerful as people think they is.
Right. But it's just that it's a possibility where he's saying before you used to go up to New York, stand outside that building, hoping you see somebody.
I still stand outside
buildings. Repost is extremely powerful. Let's not get this twisted. Repost is extremely powerful when the person that's reposting you send traffic to your page, and then when they get to your page, you actually got some shit going on.
Right.
Because then the people that's coming to your page will actually push, follow, and stay there. See, a repost don't mean shit to somebody who ain't got shit going on.
Or they'll go to your link.
Because motherfucker might go to your link and might purchase something or might see something new that they like. But when you ain't got nothing going on and you want to repost and you get that repost and you ain't get no followers, you ain't get no traction from it, is because the motherfuckers that went to your page seen that you didn't have shit going on. You didn't have nothing to land them on. You didn't have nothing to keep them there. So at the end of the day, you got to work hard. You got to put your content out. You got to market yourself. You got to be an animal on them fucking socials, whether it's Facebook, whether it's Twitter, whether it's Instagram, whether every platform that you could possibly, market yourself on, you got to do it. And you got to understand, don't base your success off how many likes you get. Oh, man, they only a certain amount of people like that. They don't like this record. Nah, bruh, you got to keep it pushing, keep promoting, keep pushing yourself, because when you starting off as an independent artist, your marketing and promotion. So if you and the niggas that's around you ain't marketing and promoting your shit, how you gonna blow?
That's the number one problem with a lot of these artists out here. They'll be doing rap. You got 15 homies, but none of your homies got your shit on their page.
Right.
I never understood that.
Right. You got all these homies, but none of them don't have your album come out. You're not there. Avi, they don't constantly post you. But when you go on that tour, they gonna want to bid on that tour bus.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
They gonna want to soak up all. They gonna want all the amenities that come with you being a successful artist, but they didn't want to hold you down. But now that you're eating, they gonna want a job. They gonna want to roll. They gonna want to bed on the tour bus. They gonna want to get their dick sucked at the end of at the end of the night when you get them at your shows. They gonna want all the amenities, all the shit that come with you being a popular rapper. But your whole journey there, them niggas didn't support you 100%. They was them just in case niggas. I'm here just in case you make it, nigga.
Yeah.
So you got to understand too, and understand that all your friends ain't. Some friends is you just my homie, and some friends is you my homie, but we also do business together too. You got to understand how to separate the two. You feel what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, sometimes you got to love niggas from a distance. I got homies that when I chose to say, you know what, I just got locked up with 82 pounds of weed. You know what, my life was on the line. I got homies' lives was on the line. My homie wife was on the line. You know what, I'm a distance myself away from the bullshit. I had to distance myself away from some niggas because I said, y'all niggas ain't taking the same path I'm taking. You niggas still want to operate outside the law. I'm cool. We still homies, but we gonna be homies from a distance. I got to love you from a distance, nigga. Cause I ain't going down on your indictment, nigga.
Cause you gonna tell next time something happens. I understand.
Right. So at the no, I don't know what the fuck you talking about. I'm gonna tell you, gonna talk about them niggas was gonna tell
he
you.
tried to sneak that in there, and he almost tried to trick you.
He got it.
He did. I thought he was talking about the nigga. Like I ain't know he was talking about me. It's cool. Yeah. All right. So at the end of the day, man, that's how you gotta play it out here, man. And all you youngers that want it in the music industry, if you really want it, you'll put the work in, and God will see you want it, and He gonna put a blessing on you.
Yeah, and do the team. Get your team together. Get your team. You see Drake and all them. He got the same dudes with him.
Right.
Team.
You only as strong as your team. That's what you got to understand.